Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of God, the most gracious, the most merciful. Asslamoalaikum. Dear brothers, sisters and friends. From today, mean 1st August, we will talk daily in English and Urdu about prophets, messenger of the God. In Urdu, 4 p.m. Pakistani time, and in English, night 9 p.m. Pakistani time daily we will upload and public, so that European Africans can also watch and hear, because that country's time is different from our Pakistan. So Allah Almighty almost always does this via angels who pass on His words to human prophets. Risalah is the concept of messengership, the way Allah communicates with humans. Allah chooses many peoples as prophets. 25 prophets are mentioned in the Quran, although some believe there have been 124,000 prophets. Name of the prophets mentioned in the Holy Quran are 25, include Adam, Adris, Nuh, Hud, Saleh, Lut, Ibrahim, Ismail, Ishaq, Yaqub, Yusuf, Shoaib, Ayub, Dhul-Kifl, Musa, Harun, Daud, Sulaiman, Ilyas, Yunus, Zakaria, Yahya, Isa, Jesus Christ, and last was Muhammad, peace be upon him. In the Bible mentioned 23 prophets. In Old Testament, the major prophets are Isaiah, Jeremiah, Ezekiel, and Daniel. So, my friends and sisters and brothers, what are the 4 holy books on which the prophets, peace be upon them, are written? These 4 mentioned books were revealed to 4 different prophets. The Torah revealed to Moses, peace be upon him, Psalms for David, peace be upon him, Bible to Jesus Christ, peace be upon him, and Holy Quran was revealed to the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. My brothers, sisters and friends, from tomorrow we will talk about one of these prophets daily on the same timetable, about his birth, nation, life and place, inshallah ta'ala. Allah Hafiz.